Hi friends, welcome to my channel on raw food recipes where I discuss recipes that do not require any kind of roasting, frying, cooking or any heating, just healthy eating. Today we will see how to make raw almond milk. So one question that comes up is why this alternative at all? For one, this is a vegan alternative to those who prefer. And second thing which is very important when I say meant for adults is that other than human being, no other animal drinks milk after it becomes an adult. It is only during its childhood that an animal drinks milk from its mother. The other thing which is very unique about human being is no other animal drinks milk of another animal of a different species. How atrocious is that human beings drink milk from another animal. Also, in this alternative, since it is fat based, it gives good amount of energy and it is very healthy. Also, almond milk is very tasty. The bottom line is you are closer to nature as rest of the animals are and not of a kind where human being is drinking milk from a different kind of animal. Incidentally, this also helps those who are lactose intolerant. In fact, a study says most adults, I think about 3 in 4 or so, are actually intolerant to lactose. Their milk that they consume doesn't get digested fully, but they are not even aware of it. The ingredients needed are very simple about one third cup of almonds, 1 cup of water, and optionally an ice cube when you are blending. For making almond milk, take one third cup of almonds, soak it in water for overnight, clean up the water fully so that the dusty water comes out, and then pour fresh clean water to make the milk. In a high speed blender, pour all of the almonds along with the water. Add additional 200 ml or about 3 times the quantity of almonds that we have soaked into the blender. I also have the habit of adding 1 or 2 ice cubes so that the milk that comes out is already cold. Process the almonds in the blender for approximately 2 minutes. By this time, the almonds would have been completely blended in water and it is now ready to extract the milk. I use a nut milk bag called Ellie's Best. This is a bit expensive at about 1700 rupees when I bought it at Amazon, but it is of very good quality and lasts a long time. Now, whichever nut milk bag you may be using, one trick to using the bags properly is to never twist them. Twisting makes the pulp to stay within and clog the pores. So the best way is softly squeezing, making sure that the pulp is moving from one area to another area within the nut milk bag. The pulp that is left out can be used as manure for plants or can be used for certain raw food items as well later. Or otherwise, you could just throw it and use the extracted milk for the coffee. The milk that comes out here, as you can see, is a vegan milk which is very healthy and particularly suited for making cold brew coffee. Almond milk can stay in refrigerator for 3 days without spoiling. In addition to using the milk for coffee, we can also use it for making different kinds of milkshakes which we will discuss in other videos in future. So if you have enjoyed watching this video, I suggest you make a cup of almond milk yourself and see how good it tastes along with coffee or vanilla, honey and several other milkshakes that you can make with this. Thanks for watching this. Please do like and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video here. Thank you.